Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Observe the question. If x plus 1 by x equal to 5, then what is the value of x power of 5 plus 1 by x power of 5? Here first of all find the x square plus 1 by x square. Formula k square minus 2. K means 5. So 5 square minus 2, that is equal to 23. 25 minus 2 equals 23. Next one is x1 x cube minus 1 by x cube. Formula k cube minus 3k. K value 5. So 5 cube minus 3 into 5. So 125 minus 15, that is equal to 110. Next step, we find x power of 5. So 1 by x power of 5. So first of all x square plus 1 by x square into x cube plus 1 by x cube. రెండింటిని కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సో x square plus 1 by x square వాల్యూ 23, x cube plus 1 by x cube వాల్యూ 110. సో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. సో రైట్ సైడ్ ఇంటూ చేస్తే x square into x cube x power of 5. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్తో 1 by x cube మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 1 by x. సెకండ్ టర్మ్తో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే x. 1 by x square into 1 by x cube 1 by x power of 5. 23 into 110 is equal to 2530. Next one, here we find x power of 5 plus 1 by x power of 5. So ఇది left side ఉంచుకుందాం. x plus 1 by x అంటే this value is plus 5. This one is transposed to the right side. So 2530 minus 5, that is equal to 2525. So option B is the correct option. Okay. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.